Alright, it is a blizzard outside today, so how about a cozy snow chat log cabin? I don't know what I'm gonna call this. It's just a chat. Okay, there's not gonna be any actual snow or um snowmen, snow angels, none of that. Nah, this is just me talking, and I wanna talk about well, first of all, I'll update you guys on my projects, I guess. I have a new tarot channel. I'm doing a divine partnership readings Sunday nights. So I've linked to that below if you were into the tarot thing. I know not everybody like that. And back to going live every day, every morning, 10 a.m., talking about the news. This is a really boring video so far. Sorry, I just wanted to sit down and talk with you guys, give you an update. I'm back here in this room. This background makes my head hurt. I can't handle this. I gotta figure this out like ASAP. I can't deal with all this, but this is a really convenient spot for me, for, I don't know, my dad. I don't know, I'm not moving around. I just need to, like, make my, I don't know, and I need lighting. I gotta calm down. I'm all sorts of like, I've been in a bad mood all day, and it's not just because of the snow. I hate snow. It's also because I had to stop and then start again. But really, why I'm posting this was I felt like I maybe needed to apologize to you guys because I've I've made videos like helping or trying to help people lose weight because I know a lot of people want to, and I don't know if I'm like, if I sound like way condescending. I mean, it's just, you know. See, if I come down as harsh ever regarding weight loss, it's because I understand that it's not something that comes easy. It's not something that's ever going to be easy. And it requires making changes that only we can make. And the reason why I wanted to post this was I was I've been going live like yesterday and today, and I'm like looking at the live footage, and I feel like I look like way chubby, and it's really bothering me. And I just, anyway, the point is I want to lose a little weight, and I'm kind of like humbling myself, knowing that it's going to be very difficult, especially at my size now. It's just harder when you're smaller because your body requires less calories. So, what I'm getting at is I do apologize for maybe for being harsh. If I, I do apologize for being harsh. If it sounds harsh, if it is harsh, if it's it's the truth of it though. If it's very hard to do, and anybody that's telling you that it doesn't have to be hard or it's not hard or anything like that is really doing you and everybody a disservice, because it's dishonest. It's not easy making changes. There are going to be some things. I'm going to use myself here. I realize it's going to be harder. I realize there's some things that I'm going to want to have that I won't have. And losing weight, if it's just a process of making that decision, and that's all it is. So if I've made videos that sound, well, my window just opened. There's like a foot of snow. Anyway, like really cold. Um, that's it. I wanted to apologize for being harsh and maybe being bitchy, and I don't, that's the last of my intentions. Um, I apologize for being a bitch. That's it. I feel like I don't know how. I feel like, I've got a tone sometimes. I'm realizing about myself, and I sound way condescending when I honestly don't mean to be, but it's still something I need to work on. So I've played back some videos and I'm like, damn, I sound way condescending. Honestly, anybody that has a hard time losing weight, it's because it's fucking hard. So, you know, screw anybody who's like, oh, lose weight, it's easy, just do this. Screw those people, and screw those people that are like, um, yeah, trying to tell you that it's not hard, because it is hard, but it's completely within a realm of possibility. That's what I'm getting at. It's just a matter of believing that it's achievable. That's literally all it is. It's all I've done before, and I gotta close that window. Anyway, so I just wanted to chit chat with you guys. I'm also gonna be eating less junk. That's what it boils down to. I have a lot of convenience foods, a lot of vegan junk, a lot of I do, because it's just easy to, I don't know, I heat it up in the microwave. It sucks. It's not good for you. It's not good for me. It's not good, period. So, I need to yeah, just be healthier. I've got some things that I could probably just throw out, like vegan butter. I don't know. It's hard at this point, but I feel like I can do it, and maybe you guys can do it with me. You guys want to eat healthier with me? Eat less junk. Let's just common sense take out things that we know are not good, like common sense tells you what's a better snack, this bag of chips or this apple. It's like common sense things like that I need to work on. Should I drink this water or this juice? Common sense. That's what I need to. Should I put all this cream, this not well, not real cream, but cream and sugar in my coffee? Yes. No, no. What? This is my problem. So yeah, I need to get healthier, nicer. It's the middle of March, so it's a little late for New Year, New Me. But honestly, I'm just like, I feel like since, I don't know, just this whole first part of the year, I've just been like, I don't know, like accepting defeat, like not friggin' like giving up. I don't know why I've been eating so crappy, and I've gained some weight, and I'm like, why? That's so unlike me. I mean, the past year or so, or past couple years, I've been so healthy, and now I'm like eating those hash browns as a meal, like all the time, like a couple of those. You know what I'm talking about? The kind that come in a tray. Oh God, they taste so good, but they're so bad, and I keep eating them. Why? Because I suck. And no, that's another thing I need to stop with, the self-deprecating. It's not easy. Nah, I gotta choose healthier things. And then I get overwhelmed, and now it's 12:48 p.m. and I haven't eaten anything. That's not good. So, I don't know what the point of this is. It's just me checking in. I'm sorry for being a bitch. I'm annoyed that I'm like fat. Um, well, I don't know if I'd call myself fat, but you know, I haven't been uh, working as hard as I was. I've been letting the problems with my mobility and stuff. Just because I can't run doesn't mean that I, can eat all this or should eat all this vegan junk all the time. Freaking, yeah. All right, this is it. Bye.